Hey, it's Olivia from Style Factory here, the go-to site for business app reviews. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the very best trial of Shopify, an extended version that lets you use the platform for 3 whole months. Okay, let's get straight to it. If you're interested in using Shopify, you'll know that it's one of the most powerful e-commerce tools on the market, but that its monthly fees can be considerable, especially if you're on one of its higher tier plans. There is a free trial of Shopify available, but this lasts for just 3 days. Not really enough time to get a full sense of how everything works and how to make the most of the platform. So, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to access a special Shopify trial, one that gives you around 90 days access for just $1 per month. That's plenty of time to build a proper online store. Okay, so here's how you get your hands on this deal. Step 1. Click the special Style Factory trial link. Because we're an affiliate partner of Shopify, we can share a link that gives our community direct access to the $1 per month Shopify offer. You'll find this on the screen now, and I've put it in the video description too. Step 2. Create your Shopify account. The next step is easy. You enter your email address into the field provided, answer a few questions, and create a password of your choosing. This sets up your free Shopify account. Step 3. Activate your 3-month trial. Once you've created a free Shopify account, you'll be asked for your credit card details. This may seem a bit off-putting, but don't worry. If you decide not to use Shopify, you can cancel your account before the extended trial ends and avoid being charged the full subscription fee. And that's it. You've now got full access to Shopify for 3 months for just $1 per month. If you'd like to access some resources about how to build your Shopify store, do check out the video description, where you'll find some guides to help you get started with the platform. To make sure you get other offers from Style Factory, along with access to all our digital marketing tips and tricks, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. And finally, if you have any questions about the Shopify free trial or how to build your store, just leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.